We like to think of IPM as this triangle that we've got here with a very solid base to how we practice IPM and involve all facets of an integrated program. So what we have at the bottom is the solid foundation of agronomic practices such as crop rotation, resistant varieties, and undersowing and intercropping. We then back that up with making sure that we understand what's happening in our cropping environment with monitoring, forecasting, and creating warning systems and making informed decisions when we need to intervene. We then intervene with mechanical, physical tools using the natural control that we've enhanced down here with using techniques such as intercropping and undersowing. We then, when we need to intervene, we bring in the green tools, the biological control, using the different families of biocontrol, the semiochemicals with pheromone systems, the microbials with the fungi, bacteria, viruses, etc. And then also we use our natural products, our botanicals, and we also use our macrobials, our invertebrate biocontrol agents. Then, if we need to, we have the option of using some specific pinpointed chemical control agents. That way, what we have is a very robust system represented by the triangle. It doesn't fall over easily. It is something that we can then rely on because we've got various different things all playing a part and being part of integrated pest management.